What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today we're going to be talking about the Federal Reserve hinting a rate cut and talking about what does that mean for your real estate business and what is going to be your next couple of moves today, tomorrow, and later on this month, this week. All right. So guys, the Federal Reserve is planning to do a interest rate decision later on this afternoon. And what we're going to be looking at is what does that mean for this housing market and why is interest rate super important for us to go over, okay? So let's break down. The Federal Reserve is looking very closely at, and then what they're trying to do is they're trying to keep the interest rate steady around 5.25 to 5.5%. And why does this matter in the real estate business? For example, the reason why this matters is that when the Fed hint a future rate cut, what that means is that it's going to shift like the consumer sentiment and it's going to make the monetary policy a lot easier. People can get a lower mortgage rate, and what that is going to do is it's going to spark the economy. Most of the economy is built off of people doing large transactions, and one of the large transactions in the economy is real estate. And when a real estate transaction taken to place, it trigger a lot of work for a lot of people. For example, inspector, appraisal, lender, title company, remodeling, construction, all that stuff. So it's very important that when a real estate transaction happens, the economy picks up drastically and jobs are going to go up. Businesses can borrow at a cheaper rate and they can start hiring a lot easier. So a lot of things happen when interest rates do fall, and we want to be prepared for the next couple of months. Because rates are going back down. So when lower mortgage rate means borrowing is a lot cheaper, and home buyers are going to go out there and they're going to start shopping for properties, and the demand for the housing market is going to go up, right? But within the last couple of years, because of the interest rate hike, what we've been seeing is that the housing market has been cooling down versus after COVID. But because the housing market has been cooling down because interest rate is so high within the last couple of years, now that the Federal Reserve are planning to pull back the interest rate, the housing market will start picking back up again. So what we're seeing right now is that this decision is not like immediately going to lower the mortgage rate, but it's going to come out into an anticipation of future rate cuts, right? And a market shift and investor sentiments. So how they feel about moving their money. So guys, currently right now, the real estate market, like for example, the residential and the commercial real estate market, what we're seeing is that it could increase in activity because of the current reduction that they're planning to do. And it's going to start a trend, guys. It's going to start a trend. And what our investors are doing right now is they're refinancing. So people that bought a home last year at a 7%, they're considering to refinance in the low 5 right now, or even the low 4s in the future. So they're just right now just trying to position themselves to refinance at a better rate. Some people are repositioning in terms of setting capital aside. So when interest rates do fall down to the 4%, 3% and pull back all the way to that level, they're planning to deploy that capital in terms of purchasing their real estate property. So if you guys can't afford to buy real estate right away, what people normally tend to do is they tend to put their money in terms of equity, like for example, stocks, crypto. So those are things that they normally do. So there's going to be a lot of people right now that currently are very liquid. They have a lot of cash on hand right now. And when interest rate lowered, they're not going to be able to get that 5% yield that they're getting from just buying bonds or holding bonds. People are going to start moving that money. Once the bond, instead of getting that 5% every single year bond income that they're getting, and that bond reduced to 3%, they're not getting that return on investment on their money as much anymore. And they're going to move that money quickly. So what you want to do is you want to prepare for the herd to start moving in if you guys can manage your risk and manage your finances properly. So guys, what we're doing right now is we're keeping an eye out on the mortgage rate, and we're anticipating rates are going to go lower. And what that means is that it's going to stimulate the economy and and the job market a lot better. So guys, now is the time to connect with your real estate agents, to connect with your lender, to go over options to purchase, option to refinance, and just strategizing with your banker and your real estate agents and your investment advisor to figure out what to do with your current money. Okay, take a look at your portfolio, figure out where you need to allocate your money most. Ideally, what we normally recommend is just about 1 full year of cash on the side and deployed all your cash reserve into hard assets or just even assets like equity, real estate, and all that good stuff. And just keep just 1 year. That's all you really need. And also, guys, just remember that investing always comes with risk. We're not really financial advisor, and we're here to help you guys think about other other options, and all that good stuff. So looking forward, guys, some of the things that we want to look forward to is seeing a boost in the real estate market, a boost in the job market. The economy is going to pick up, which is a very positive sign. And some of the indicators that we look for to see is the job market. Is the job market going to pick back up? And what we're thinking is that it will pick back up when interest rates do fall. And the reason why it will pick up is because that real estate transaction is one of the largest transactions in the economy, and it creates a lot of jobs when a real estate transaction takes place. For example, like title companies, they have to hire all these titles, insurance company, also the lender, mortgage lender, appraisal. You're looking at quite a bit of jobs out there that are being created. Inspector, home repair company, contractors, furniture companies, selling furnitures, decorating, all that fun stuff. Home Depot stocks will probably gonna go up. So there's a lot of things to keep in mind on the effect of the interest rate and how that would turn out for the economy. As we look into the macroeconomic, which is austerity or stimulant economy, what we're seeing is that we're printing a lot of money right now, and we're reducing a lot of rates, right? We're reducing rates. I mean, what that is going to do is a stimulant economy again. But in a austerity economy where the economy is contracting, how that normally happens is that interest rate will increase and then spending will be cut. Government spending will be cut. So right now we're trying to balance everything out, but we're forecasting that the economy is going to be picking back up again, and we're going to have a soft landing pretty soon. When interest rates do decrease, that's going to create a lot of people that are planning to hire. They're going to hire a little bit more because there's going to be more businesses. Anyways, guys, James here, James and Maurice on real estate. We're going to be keeping an eye on the real estate market, and we're going to be keeping an eye out on this stuff. If you like this type of stuff, don't forget to check out our playlist and check out our other videos. We're going to be doing videos and keeping you guys updated on the real estate market and what we're currently doing. All right, guys, James here. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Hey guys, are you ready to take the first step toward home ownership? Book your free appointment now and jump on our Google/Zoom meeting calendar at buywithfam.com and start your home buying journey and learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more when buying. We'll go over all the programs that are available for you for first-time home buyer, teachers, doctors, police officers, and all the programs out there that can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. So we're now serving the Bay Area, all of Northern California. Also, we have partner agents in all of Central Valley, Southern California, including Irvine's Orange County, along with Portland, Oregon. If you're looking to save a ton of money when it comes to buying, jump on our calendar, go to buywithfam.com, and we'll go over all the programs out there that can help you save quite a bit. All right, guys, look forward to helping you out. Peace and love. Are you a real estate agent that is tired of wasting your time hosting open houses, doing door knocking, and cold calling for leads? We created free training on how you can add an extra $343,000 in profit a year consistently by selling new construction homes using system, automations, and internet marketing in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in your real estate business. Even if you're a brand new agent with little marketing budget or nobody knows who you are, all you need to do is register the link below and we'll send you the new construction class training along with the text system and email system that we currently have. Here's what you'll learn in the new construction class training: how to find your niche and position yourself as an expert in your local market so then you can be popular and dominate your competition. You'll also learn how to get an endless stream of online leads chasing you down daily You also learn how to automate your business and get the best sales agent in your market to prospect leads and generate sales for you 24/7 without ever complaining, leaving you, or taking a break. We're looking for a couple of agents that we can help grow their real estate business by helping them bring their real estate business using the internet. All you need to do is click on this link and register down below, and we'll send you the new construction class training. Peace and love.